What's up? What's up? Ladies and gents, what's going on? What's up, Frederick? What is going on? Jacqueline? Salahatin? Salahatin? Am I saying that right? Salahatin? 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 I like that. I like that trade. Breakout entry when live stream starts. Take profit one, first half of the stream. Take profit two, end of the stream. And then short it. That's wild. It has been a wild 24 hours, guys. What's up, MSY? What's going on? Mario's. Doing as good as I can be doing on a day like this, you know? Surviving. Menth, Renz, what's up? Jacqueline, that's why I'm live. That is why I'm live. I know I'm gonna take some heat from some people, but you know, I'm here. I'm showing up. Let's see the pump. What's up, Peter? Amir. What's up? Charlie already liked the stream so that we can get a bounce. Good man. It's not much, but it's honest work. Cream, what's going on, Cream? Will, what's up? Guys, what a day. What a day. That's all I can say really right now. What a day. Oh man, it's crazy. Sing, hey bro, what's up? Cream, the only signal right now, man, is to, you know, build up your long-term positions. There's not going to be any short-term signals right now. No wonder why we're seeing the pump. What's up, Ibrahim from Indonesia? What's up, Brad? Roderick just bought some Bitcoin. Smart man. Yeah, Mario, I'm it's tough. I don't even want to talk about it. Divya, what's up? Yeah, stream equals bounce. When do I think? I don't know, man. Right now, I'm not thinking about 10K right now for Ethereum. I'm just thinking about us getting on with this bull run now that we played out the head and shoulders pattern that we had set up. Remember, we spoke about this, guys. Spoke about this head and shoulders pattern. It was no surprise. It was just a surprise that it happened that fast, but we spoke about this. We covered this potential drop. Yeah, Ethereum. Well, it wasn't only Gemini. Gemini was down or was acting up. I know Robinhood. Oh, I don't know Robinhood. Coinbase was acting up. What else? Binance was acting up. I know those are down. But Bybit had zero issues. I was able to close trades on Bybit without any issues. Didn't get liquidated from any positions. I had to turn off all the bots. I had to close all the trades on the bots at a loss, but it was the best decision I made. they would have got destroyed. Like they're already like it was already tough, but they would have been way more destroyed. Juan Carlos, ¿qué hola hacer? Día de carajo. Payday tomorrow. Time to get some crypto discounts. Mark. Yeah, just don't get caught, on the wrong side of it if it goes really volatile in one direction. That's it. That's the issue. Oka Swiss, what's up, my dude? Yeah, Mario, I feel you, man. Eamon, I'm not worried about the China thing. The China news is old. We get that same news every single year. China bans Bitcoin every year. It's more based on fear in the market right now. Um, you know, there's a lot of fear in the market. There's been a lot of selling pressure. There's just been a lot going on. A lot of bad news that just continued to hit us. And then this pattern set up. The pattern ended up playing out to exactly where my price target was. Remember, this was my price target on this move. I said between $32,000 to $30,000, and that's exactly where we got the bounce. I'm not proud of that, like I didn't want it to play out. But sometimes in trading, it just happens, and you just gotta look at the chart and be logical versus being emotional. No, I have not checked the manipulation by Wyckoff model. I mean, this was definitely a dip. Oh no, Yuntal, that's not good, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Harry, I've I've I'm buying up right now both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Um, just making small, small dollar cost averages. But I know it's scary, and when it's scary to put money into the market, that's probably when you should put money into the market. Oh no, banks are not allowing deposits in India. That's not good. What's up, Rivers? I have no opinion on Anchor, Mario. I've never really looked at it. I'm saying there's really no way to tell um, if the market's gonna continue up from here or if it's gonna go back down. This could just be a relief rally, meaning that we're completely oversold, as you guys can see here. So it could be just kind of a small bounce, aka a bull trap, and then it can continue down if that's the way that we're gonna head. But overall, we've already completed the head and shoulders pattern. We completed it literally 100%, um, all the way down to exactly where my target was, which was around that $30,000 area. Um, now we just gotta wait and see what happens. You know, there's not enough data right now, so we just gotta be patient and just wait. You gotta wait it out sometimes. Trading is about data and information. The more information you have, the better. So right now we're in that phase where we just gotta wait. There's not really much else to do here. Roderick, I don't really know, man. I would say we should anticipate a bounce back in the next month or two. Because I don't think that I'm still bullish. You know, I'm not. I still think that we're in the bull cycle. There hasn't been enough time for us to be out of the bull cycle already. So, but because of a lot of panic in the market, a lot of bad news, a lot of just nonsense, you know, people started panicking. People started getting scared. They started selling. Um, it made it easier for institutions to also manipulate and cause fear in the markets. Um, a lot of people got liquidated. It was the all-time high in liquidations, the most liquidations ever. So all of that put together accelerated the market down. You know, all those tweets from Elon. Like Elon now wants to try to help, but it's like too late. The damage is done. Before Elon ever tweeted, we were around that. We're above 55K. We're around 58,000 when he decided to start his tweets. And then on the weekend, we went back up to above 50K, and that's when he really started attacking Bitcoin. And we went down from 52,000 all the way to where we're currently at. And now he wants to, you know, tweet that that Tesla has diamond hands. Like, it's too late, bro. Like, now you want to now you want to try to come back and tweet about it. Like, it's too late. So you can see, let's see. He says Tesla has diamond hands. Credit to our master of coin. That's what he tweeted. Tweeted that an hour ago, and he replied to himself 21 minutes ago. Did this move cancel the falling wedge? Yes, this was a breakdown from the falling wedge. I mean, we can still maybe move it a little bit here. Let's see what happens overall in the next days. But it definitely cancels this falling wedge right here, the one that we should have got a move. Remember, I told you guys we're gonna get a move this week. I was Because of the pattern of the falling wedge pattern, I was hoping that it would be a reversal to the upside. But the head and shoulders patterns, you know, won. So that pattern played out instead of the falling wedge pattern. And you can see as soon as it broke down from the falling wedge, which was kind of what was holding it, it just went all the way down. So now we'll have to find a new pattern here. We still might be in the falling wedge, you know, if we move this a little bit, just to kind of get an idea. But mainly we just gotta wait right now to see what happens the next, you know, few hours, for the rest of the day, what happens the next few days, to see where we're really at on this, and what pattern really starts emerging here. What's up, Martin from London? Leo, what's going on? Smash that like button. Thank you, Martin. Appreciate it. Asher, I don't like being leveraged right now. It's risky, but it is a possible good opportunity with the price bouncing. So it depends on your risk tolerance. Will the recovery take years to happen, like in 2017? No, I don't think we're at that point yet. Elon is definitely clowning. Yeah, a lot of things crashed. All right, I'm going to let me tweet this out because I haven't even told anybody that I'm live. So you guys are the real G's. you guys, we got 70 of you guys in here without me even tweeting that I'm live or posting on Instagram that I'm live. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Um, let's see what we get here. Shantanu. Is that Shantanu? Is that how you say your name? Um, right now we're very oversold. Look at the daily. This is the first time we've been oversold in a long time. Um, I think since this is the first time we're oversold since the pandemic. Also, this is forming a hammer. So if this pushes up closer up, it's a um, bullish signal kind of. You can see here on the 4 hour we have a hammer here. That usually means that the move is exhausted. So you can see that we're oversold. That means the move is exhausted. We have a hammer here, which means the move is exhausted. So it can mean a rally to the upside. So we gotta wait and see though, because it's still too early to know, what's gonna happen. So we're just gonna wait right now. We're not making any decisions right now. What's up, FaZe? What's up, Buzo? Buzo? Is that how you say it? Saying I love you too, man. Appreciate your support. Yeah, and everybody's lost a lot of money. I mean, you're not the only person. I've lost more than 500, so consider yourself lucky. And it's only a loss if you sell. I haven't sold, so those are unrealized losses. uh, Shantanu, no problem, man. Thank you. Thank you for the support. All right, I have to. Let me see. I still haven't posted. And we got 64 people in here, and I haven't even posted on any of the social medias that I'm live. I'm just like on here, like just it's been a tough 24 hours. Yeah, Elon has diamond hands. BlockFi's having issues. If you check their Twitter, they tweeted out something about that they're having issues. I'll say check that out. Let's see. Let's put this up. Bitcoin. Let's talk about it. My title is Bitcoin crashed. Let's talk about it. What do you guys think? Is that a good one? Looking for. All right, that's good enough. Just give me a few here while I post this on the socials. because I know everybody's asking questions right now. And, you know, I don't have many answers today, but we can at least wonder together. Where is my Bitcoin fire? Let's talk about it. Look at Elon and his freaking tweets. Tesla's down as well. So they probably told him, like, bro, you gotta like save, you gotta try to save Bitcoin. So he's like, all right, I guess I'll drop a tweet. Oh my goodness. Stop auto correcting me. It's so annoying. All right, and the last thing I got to do is post it on Twitter. Hashtag Bitcoin crashed. All right. I'm all done, guys. Let's see. No, I don't have any data on that. That means diamond hands. Diamond hands means that they're not selling. That's what Elon Musk tweeted. Tesla has diamond hands. That means that they're holding. Awesome, Martin. I'm glad I can support in some way today. Ada, just keep doing the same thing. 30K was that target there, and we hit it. Now we gotta wait to see what happens. Look at this. The 4 hour is completely oversold. The daily is oversold. The weekly is neutral. Monthly is neutral. But I think because we're so over, so look at where we are. We're around 22, 23. When's the last time that we went that low? It was over here. We went, how low did we go there? Yeah, we went to like 15. That's crazy. So obviously it could keep going, as you guys saw during the pandemic. We went down to 15, but right now we're at 22. That's very overextended. You know, let's see what happens with this, how we close out the day. We still have about 8 hours before the close of this candle. So let's see what happens in the next 8 hours and then kind of go from there. Yeah, for sure, Ada. It sucks today, you know. Today sucks, but it's part of the game, you know. So I mean, if you're going to be buying, like I said yesterday, and anytime ever that anyone's asked me about it, you have to dollar cost average in. I don't recommend putting a lump sum. You know, if you've been dollar cost averaging, then you should have been buying on each of these dips just a little bit as you're averaging in your position. Yes, I do have a reference code saying, let me see if I have it here. Let me see in my notes. Let me see. Yeah, I got it here. So Bybit actually didn't go down during this whole drop. The exchange actually was working the entire time. I was able to go on and execute a few trades. So another reason why I prefer Bybit over Binance, for those that were asking, I think yesterday. So far it's bouncing right now, you know. But the next move, who knows? Just gotta wait and see right now. With this move, we completed the head and shoulders pattern, which the bottom for that pattern, the price target was 30K. And look how quickly we hit 30K. That was crazy move. So let's see if we can get back above this 200-day moving average here. We're currently below it. To get back on top of it, we would have to close above $40,000. Let me see, what else do we have here? Yeah, 38,000 is another key level in this area that we can be looking for. Checking on some of these trades here. It's been a very painful day in the market, but this is part of it, guys. When, especially in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, this is part of it, you know. Yes, Martin, I'm still bullish on Ethereum. Yeah, Mario, I feel the same way. I still see us reaching previous highs and new all-time highs. What's up, Oscar? You just bought another Bitcoin? Nice. You got a nice discount today. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance went up a bit here today, as you guys can see. We got a big green to the upside. Ugh. You know, that's natural. People are afraid. and money, they're taking their money out of altcoins. This is why the majority of my portfolio is not in altcoins, guys. Because the same way that altcoins can go up a lot, they also go down a lot. So you got to be very careful. If your portfolio is mostly made up of altcoins, you know, you could, you have to be, you know, able to tolerate the risk that comes with it. Yeah, if anyone's entering today for the first time into a Bitcoin position, amazing. If anyone bought at 30,000 to 32, like you're gonna double your money soon. Like it's crazy. Nino, I have no idea, man. You know, right now that's not what I'm thinking about. I'm just trying to figure out what the next move here is. I'm not thinking about, you know, when we're gonna hit all-time highs again. Um, just gotta focus right now on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin drives the rest of the market, as you guys can see here. So just focus on Bitcoin for now. You know, everything's on sale today. So if you guys have been wanting, if anyone's been sitting on the sidelines wanting to put money in, now's the time. I said this in March, last year, March, when there was a massive dump. I said this, you know, the in May during the halving, right before the halving, we were still down. Said it in April. And I'll say it again now. And then we'll look back a year from now and we'll see. But I've always said the same thing. This is the opportunity that many of you have been waiting for. Yeah, you could potentially start to dollar cost average into some Cardano if you like. Nah, I think we're still in the bull run. Hey, nobody's telling you to do it. I'm saying that if you're looking to buy and to get into crypto, now's the best time to buy. You buy when the market is down. You don't buy when the market is going up. So I've said the same thing in last year, March, saying the same thing this year. I was right last time. I'm going to be right again a year from now. So I'm not worried about your comment. Sell for you, sell your positions and short it. How long? Let's see in a year from now who makes more money. Mining profitability, that's crazy. 3,500 satoshis every 4 hours. Yeah, if we have a hammer on the 4-hour chart. If we can get a hammer on the daily chart, that'll be very nice. If you look here on the 4-hour, we have the hammer. So that's a signal of exhaustion, and we're oversold as well. The next move is to just not make a move, man. Just chill out, enjoy your day, you know, and we gotta wait to see what else happens here. What's up, Skirto? There's no way to know whether or not it's the bottom. You know, 30K was a price target that we spoke about on this head and shoulders pattern. Now, is it the bottom? We don't know. You know, we got to wait and see. But it's it's possibly a bottom, but there's no way to know 100%. You know, we got to break back up and possibly get a breakout to then be able to call it a bottom. Uh, Diego, whales have always been manipulating the market. There's nothing, that's nothing new. Yeah, and if you pay attention, I'm not saying to buy falling knives. Maybe you should listen just a little bit better. Just kick that guy out. We're all here to support each other today, guys, and be positive. There's a lot of people out there that have lost a lot of money. So there's no negative vibes allowed in the chat. I understand a lot of people are frustrated, you know, and there's nothing wrong with being frustrated. We're all frustrated. But don't come in the chat. Don't come on the stream with negative vibes. Not today. Today's not the day. I think Doge is down 74% is what I think of Doge. I've never invested in Doge, and I will continue not investing in it. I think I've made a sound decision. All other countries in the world need to invade China? What? You bought at 2200? That's a pretty good entry. What do you mean, how do we get this chart view? This is on tradingview.com if you want to use the chart. Yeah, right now, today's mostly about waiting, guys. If you want to put money in to dollar cost average your way in, then you can. You know, but be patient. Don't do anything crazy. Be patient. We got to see what else forms here, you know. We got to see what the charts tell us next. Right now, there's not enough information to make the next decision to be able to tell where the price can go. So right now, we're just chilling. We're just going to wait. We got to wait for the dust to settle. We got to wait for everything to blow over. And then make a decision from there once we have more information and more data on the charts. What is the best price to buy Ethereum? The best price to buy Ethereum was last year when it was a lot cheaper. The next best price is probably today. But again, you have to dollar cost average. We don't know which way the market's going. No problem, Carlos. Appreciate you being here, man. George Leo, what's up, man? You bought at 45K? Good luck for sure. We're positive. Yeah, we're super positive here today, man. Definitely, you know, I'm on here to support. I know a lot of people are frustrated today. And a lot of people are afraid today. That's why I came live to you know, just be with you guys here for a bit and tell you guys that I'm not selling. I'm still holding all my long-term positions. So you guys do with that information what you like. You know, Don't be scared, Martin. We'll be back. It's already popping back up. It's already at 2,700. So it's going. It's working its way back up. Eventually, it's gonna be back up. It's just a matter of time. Today might suck, but you know, a week or a month from now, uh, you'll feel good about it. Oh, I'm not scared, man. Dips are definitely part of the process. Nobody here is scared, guys. We're all chilling. Diamond hands. No paper hands on this channel. See your way out. You only own $194 worth of Bitcoin at current uh, market value. Yeah, guys, please don't spam the channel. If you spam, I'm not going to answer your questions. I will time you out and ignore your question. Akshay, what's up? Yeah, for sure. I'm very in my portfolio. My long term portfolio is very red. Even my short term portfolio right now, my trading portfolio today was a red day. You know what? I just closed out any position I had open. Not doing any more trading today. Tomorrow's a new day. So that's it. That's not much else to it. Yeah, Carlos, that's what you got to do, man. This is where you dollar cost average. Yep. We love you, man. You are the hottest Cuban in crypto. Thank you, Feggy. Or is it Feggy? Feggy? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Thank you. Appreciate it. Love you guys too. Yeah, Sebastian has the trade signal for you guys. Best trade signal. Buy when Jay starts streaming, sell when he stops streaming. Marco, I wish I could, bro. I would have to set up a camera in my house, like all around the house. Have you guys ever seen um what are those? Are there like websites that you like pay for to watch girls just live in a house and they like there's cameras all over the house? It'll be like that, but for me, I'll just keep it live the entire time and I'll just like go on about my day with cameras all over the house. You guys will watch me sleep and stuff. That'll be kind of weird. Doge is down 74% from its all-time highs, Baker. What's on my watch list? This is on my watch list. Is Litecoin worth a punt? Yeah, I like white Litecoin. I'm still invested in it. I think Litecoin could definitely continue up. It could head up to possibly to the previous all-time highs. Like Peggy, but with an F. Feggy. Got you. Shelly Allison. So I would recommend looking up dollar cost averaging, and that's what I would recommend. Basically, putting in a bit today, then maybe a bit in a few days or something like that. And I would stick to the main things. I would buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. I would build a solid portfolio around that. And then if you wanna, if you want some lottery tickets, then you can buy other altcoins. But I would say, build the foundation of your portfolio with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then go from there. Anka, how long will the dip last? No idea. We just gotta be patient here. Nick, yes, I trade for a living. I trade full time. But I also have other businesses as well. I have other things I do as well. It's not the only thing. But I don't work like a regular job. I own businesses. Life is about ownership. You gotta own. Yeah, I definitely believe that we will get back to 50K. And Ethereum will go back up as well. Binance Coin has just been, it's been doing, following Bitcoin overall. Bitcoin hasn't really moved in like a month until today. Yep, today there will be future millionaires created for sure. Yeah, all the meme coins have done is take money away from real crypto projects. No, Nick, I don't think this is the end. Angry, I'm not invested in SafeMoon. Nick, because there hasn't been enough time in the bull cycle. Bull cycles on average are usually around 2 years, and we're not even a full year into it yet. So this is just the first real pullback of the bull cycle. Um, you know, time is just as important as the price. Angry, I wouldn't start your portfolio with SafeMoon. No, that's not a good idea. That's like going into the stock market and buying penny stocks. Those are easily manipulated and moved in either direction. So I don't recommend that. My hands are diamonds wrapped in extra diamond. Same here, man. I've been holding since very long time, 2016. Can you buy Bitcoin now? I don't know. Can you? Namaste from India. What's up, my brother? What's the minimum purchase? 1x ETH or 2x? I don't know what you're asking. I don't understand your question, Captain Heimer. Cheetah, I invest in. I have e-commerce businesses. I have like two different ones. I have drop shipping. I do drop shipping. I invest in real estate. I invest in other things as well. I'm mostly an investor. Thank you. I can't Menta Bipity. I can't even say your name. I'm gonna just call you Menta. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. It's nighttime in Asia. Where in Asia are you? Ryan, I'm not thinking that far ahead right now. I'm just thinking, you know, where it's at right now. So we just got to get out of where we currently are. End of the year, there's no point in throwing, you know, darts out there, blind darts. Please explain the chart of Doge. There's nothing to explain. It dropped 74%. Like, there's not really anything to explain. It's a meme, you know. There's not anything real behind it. It's basically the equivalent to a penny stock. It's gonna move up and down in both directions. It's gonna easily be manipulated. I have never thought about Win. I don't even know what that is. Mehmet. Dejao will drop 20K. What? Thoughts on ETC, Mike? I'm not invested in it, but it has been following Ethereum. And once the Ethereum 2.0 comes out and things like that, it will be interesting to see what happens with Ethereum Classic. Amir, thank you. Buy zone, just dollar cost averaging today is what I would say. There's no exact zone, you know. If you want to wait for it to maybe break above 42,000, that would be you be entering with a bit more momentum. You can see right now we've gone all the way up to 39,000. At what price were we when the stream started, guys? Who in here knows what price we were in when the stream started? I think we were like at 36. We're at 39 right now. $39K. Why coins downfall? A lot of FUD in the market, a lot of fear, a lot of panic, a lot of people getting liquidated. Just a lot. It was like the perfect storm. It was also head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern on the charts. We were overextended in a lot of coins. We've had, I don't know how many green months in a row. Like, it was due. It was a perfect storm. Yeah, above, if we can stay above 38K, then that's definitely a support there. If we get above 42K, that's a better support. So that's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, Ethereum Classic's worth a punt. Timmers, I cannot say the name you just wrote. I don't know how to pronounce that. But I see you're from the Netherlands. Awesome. What's up, dude? Good to see you in here again. Angry. First of all, none of this is financial advice. I'm just giving my opinions, and you could do with it what you like. And I recommend you start with, I recommend if you don't have any crypto at all, start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Build a foundation around that. You don't want to build a foundation around very volatile coins. That's what I would say. That's my opinion. It's not advice. It's just my opinion. Oh, like how many Ethereums to start with? Yeah, well, I would say start with one and dollar cost average your way into a bigger position if you want to in Ethereum. Apple, there's no set price on when to buy it. I would just say the same thing I've been saying, dollar cost average. Um, I like to see Ethereum go back above 3,000 if I was looking for an exact number. Yes, hit the likes, guys. Thank you, Mark and Mark. Hit the like, guys. 150 people watching, but only 59 likes. So smash that like button, guys. How do you invest in real estate? Uh, you have to do a lot of research. Start with researching. Start with look for people similar that have similar interests in real estate and that want to be in real estate. And everything's online, really, man. Just Google it, and there's so much stuff online. There's books, there's YouTube videos, there's podcasts. Um, there's a website called biggerpockets.com, I think it's called. You can check that out. They have a lot of information on there as well. Minu, yeah. I believe that eventually, not saying it's going to happen today or tomorrow, but Ethereum will go back to 3,900. You bought ADA for 18 cents? Nice. Did we hit 40K already? Let's see. Yes, look, and we're forming that hammer on the daily chart, which is exactly what we want. Oh shit. My light almost fell and I just caught it. I caught it. That's those baseball skills. I used to play baseball growing up. Lose everything. Don't lose everything. You only lose if you sell. XRP, is XRP moving as well? Is at 128. Nice. Sebastian, nice, dude. Awesome. You're 15 years old, Sebastian? Is that what you mean at 15? The best platform to buy crypto is mostly depends on where you're located. Monero's all right. It's been around for a while. I'm not invested in it though. Frederick, because I have a lot of. Remember, I have a big account, so I'm just letting my long terms make its money back right now. I'm not trading today. It's too volatile. It's hard to know which way the market's going. It's easier to stay out and wait for things to settle. Smoke is almost over. Can I invest in Monopoly money? Go for it. Do you think we will dip again? I have no idea. Is there any chance to drop down again? There's always a chance. Should I buy Dot and Cake now? If you want, you can. I have both Dot and Cake. I have Polkadot. Polkadot's down a lot from its all-time high, so it's definitely a good opportunity to buy if you believe in the project and you believe, that it will continue going up. Like I say, dollar cost average, guys. Diego, that question's all based on you, my brother. I can't answer that for you. Yes, you smashed the like button. Thank you, Captain Heimer. Appreciate it. Yeah, we already touched 40K. There's obviously going to be resistance there. You first bought at 1800. Nice. Ande, hello, bro. Gretel, there's no way to know for sure. It's going up right now. That's all I can say for now. Yes, for sure, George Leo. In the end, we will win. Amir, please keep the live on. Volume and prices are going up. Thanks to you, man. I told you, man. My live stream has to do with the market. It's correlated. No, I did not buy at 42K. Nice, Sebastian. That's amazing, dude. 15 years old in the UK, and you already got Ethereum. You're already investing. I wish I would have started out when I was 15. That's amazing. Keep it going, man. No, Diego, I have no idea. Victor, yes, I am. The new entry point. I mean, yeah, you just have to dollar cost average your way in. There's not really a set entry point. I would like to see the price get back above 42,000 though. To start feeling a little bit safer, but until we cross back over 48,000, we're not out of the woods. Yes, I invest in stocks and crypto. I do not own Atom. No problem, Victor. We had 130 people in here and 81 likes, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. We're almost at 9,000. Let's see. How many subscribers are we at? We've done about 21 subscribers since I went live. So we're at 8836. Trying to get to well, we're trying to get to 10,000. So we're crossing that 9,000 mark. And I think in the next week, maybe 2 weeks, we should hit 10,000. Oh, also on Instagram, we are at the 199 mark, I believe. Let me see. Let me close this if this lets me. Can I close it or not? On Telegram, on Instagram, we're at 199,000 followers, guys. So at 200,000, at 200K, which should be like in the next day or two, we're gonna start doing some giveaways. So we're gonna give back to the community, do some giveaways, and then also at 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, we will do the same thing, guys. So you can see right here, guys, you can and you will bounce back. For anyone worried today, always remember that it is only money. Please do not do anything stupid. You can and will bounce back. There's been a lot of people that have, hurt themselves or taken their lives because of trading, because of being over leveraged, because of a big loss. Guys, it doesn't have to come down to that. If you guys need, if you're at that point, at that edge, if you feel like you're at the edge, like reach out to somebody, reach out to me. Like I'll even talk. I don't mind being, talking with you and listening to you. I've lost a lot of money during my time, especially when I was learning. I lost a lot of money back in 2017, well 2018 when it crashed. So I know the feeling. I've been there. I've done it. When I first started trading, I lost a lot of money. What I felt like was the end of the world when it wasn't. You can and you will bounce back, guys. Just be patient. Don't make any impulse decisions based on emotions and how you're feeling. We're all down today, guys. It's normal. It's part of the game. It's part of the process. You gotta push through it. Smooth. What's that saying? Smooth seas never made a sailor. Something like that, right? So, guys, just keep pushing through it. I'm here for you guys. That's why I'm doing this live stream. I know a lot of people are frustrated or depressed or sad today or scared. That's why we're live streaming. That's why I am here with you today. We've been live now for an hour, guys. So let's keep it going. Don't do anything stupid, guys. At Coinbase, Bitcoin's at 42,000. Is that true? Greetings from Russia. Thanks for your streams and your work. Thank you, man. I can't read your name. I have no idea how to say that or how to even read it. But thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, you can dollar cost average in any direction. Yeah, I think XRP will definitely go back to all-time highs. And break, previous highs. Once the SEC case is done, then it'll break previous highs. Yeah, Victor, I believe that that Bitcoin will definitely recover before, like in the next, possibly it could be in the next month. Like we're already almost back at 40,000. We already went all the way back up to 40,000. Like the same way we just did that, like in one day we could just shoot up to back to 50,000 and then, grind the way back up to 60. Like that, we have seen it many, many times. No, I do not have any TRX. I don't have any Tron. Kieran. Kieran. For sure, Marky Mark. Yeah, I understand if you're broken, if you're hurt, depressed, frustrated, you're mad, upset. It's part of the game sometimes, unfortunately. And you have to, instead of giving up and thinking that it's just failure, take it as a lesson. You have to, and it's tough, but you got to take it as a lesson, and you got to move forward. You got to move on, and if you really want it, you just got to continue. You can't let that stop you or derail you. You got to build yourself back up and go from there. It's gonna take time. It's not gonna be easy. Nobody said it would be easy, but I can tell you I've done it. I started from zero. I built up a portfolio to like 10, 20,000, and I went back to zero. And it took some time, but I was able to pull myself together. I took a little time off, pulled myself together, built up some more capital, and started again. And I started with a small amount. Started with maybe $1,000, if that. So, anyone could do it, man. Anyone could definitely do it. You can, and you will. You just gotta go through it. You gotta grind it out. Yeah, man. Liquidation sucks. Liquidations definitely suck, man. Yeah, we're moving up. We're moving up. Let's see if we can get above 40,000. Well, Evans, I don't think it would crash to zero. But yeah, if it rises again, your whatever you have that you're holding is the value of it rises and falls with the fluctuation of the value of Bitcoin or whatever crypto you have. Ethereum heading down? Nah, it looks good right now. Let's pull them up together here. All right, in this one, I'm going to put Bitcoin on the 15-minute, and in this one is Ethereum. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna watch the 15-minute candles just to see some more action, to be able to see what's going on, you know, in real time. You can see we're green right now. Bitcoin is back at 40K. It's back above 40K. Ethereum is trying to work its way up to back to 3,000. So let's see if we can hit these. No problem, Victor. Do you think the BTC and ETH all-time low will be tested again today? What do you mean the all-time low? Nah, man. I'm looking at the 15-minute. 15 minutes look good. We're back above 40K. It's moving nicely so far. Let's see if we can stay above it. What do you mean, what's my portfolio now? It's my portfolio hasn't changed. Today didn't change my portfolio. The only thing in my portfolio that changed today was the value of it in US dollars, but it hasn't changed in crypto. Neo's going strong. Yeah, Neo should shoot back up above 100 again, probably. Where's Neo here? Neo's at 66. Remember, Neo was at like 120. So it'll jump back up. That's a double up. Daryl, I don't speak about specifics about my portfolio. I would never speak on the amount of money in the portfolio. One, it's not really important to what I'm doing here. Two, I speak in percentages. If you speak in percentages, you can relate to anyone, because it doesn't matter if you have $1,000 or $1 million. 10% is 10% in either portfolio. So I always speak in terms of percentages. I never speak in terms of absolutes. Minu, this is tradingview.com. You can see it here on the top. Tradingview.com. Hashim, I have no idea, man. There's no way to really know if we're going to drop back down another $10,000, you know? You just got to wait and see what happens here. It looks so far like a lot of people are buying the dip. HODL, yes. I put on my HODL t-shirt today just for that. Bought Neo at 41. Amazing. Was that today or did it hit 41 today? I don't even know. I haven't looked at it, but that's crazy. Yeah, Tyreek. Remember, Bitcoin is the king. So everything's gonna follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin rules the markets. That's crazy. That's a great price. You got in at $41. That's like automatic, almost almost doubling your money. That's crazy. Crazy entry, man. Awesome entry. Let's see, what is the lowest one? What has had the biggest drop here today? 27%, 29% for Tezos, 30% for Zcash. So it looks like Zcash has the biggest drop here today on my watch list. Let's go over here. Let me refresh this. Let's see. So in the last 24 hours, Binance Coin down 23%. So Binance Coin is a good project to buy, guys. If you want to buy now while it's cheap, it's probably going to go back up to like 600. Good project. Cardano, good project, under $2. It is definitely going above $2 again. Dogecoin, I'm not investing in. XRP down 22%. Where's it at currently? At 125. It's a good buy. This is going back to possibly above or at least close to like the $2 range. Polkadot, good project to buy. It's definitely going back above 40. Bitcoin Cash, it's down 24.5 today. It'll definitely go back above 800. I mean, back above 1,000. Uniswap down 23. It's definitely a good buy as well, like Uniswap. Litecoin down 28%. Litecoin's gonna go to eventually back to 400, guys. So it's almost double up if you buy Litecoin, like right now. It was under 200 earlier. That's really where you should have bought. It's back to 220 now. USDC, guys, down 0.24% today. This is definitely going back to $1 if you want to buy it. Chainlink down 23%. I like Chainlink. It'll go back to around $50. Matic down 13%. So remember, everybody yesterday was asking me about Matic because it was up so much. Now is the time that I would say, okay, now around the $2 mark is where you can buy if you want an entry on that. But don't buy when it's up so high. You have to wait for these pullbacks. Solana down 17%. It's pretty much flat on the week. Let's see which ones have been Ethereum Classic down to $70. VeChain down to 12 cents, down 21 and 35 on the week. Let's see what's had the biggest drop in the last 7 days. 38%, 55%, 40%, Litecoin 38%. 35%, 45%, 43% for Filecoin, 50% drop for Shiba. 24 is down 24% today. Neo down 25, down 40 on the week. So there's a lot of opportunity in the market right now, guys. If everything else, if Bitcoin bounces, everything else is also going to bounce. If it doesn't, then it's not going to bounce. That's why I recommend, dollar cost averaging. My guy. Guys, please do not spam the chat. If you spam the chat, I will not answer your questions. I will put you on timeout for 300 seconds and ignore your question if you spam the chat with the same question. All hail the Doge Father. Shelly, I don't recommend buying a lot. Don't spread yourself too thin. Start small. Start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Learn, right? Educate yourself, and then start looking at other coins available on Coinbase and educate yourself on those projects. Don't just start throwing money at different coins. Yeah, Justin. So below, remember I said below 42,000, that we were probably going to head to 30,000. Remember, I covered that on Friday's video. I covered that on Monday's video. I covered that yesterday in the live stream. I said below 42K, we could potentially head down and play out the head and shoulders pattern that we spoke about, which the price target on it was $30,000. That's exactly what happened. Edge, man, that's up to you, man. I can't tell you what to do. I had to turn off the bots today. When I saw last night, when I saw how bad the market was, and when we broke 42,000, I turned off the bots. Glacius, it'll move back up. You just got to be patient. If you sell now, then you're down. Then you lost $12,000. If you hold and it goes back up, at least you have the potential to get that money back. Salar, no problem. Thank you. Justin, what up, broski? Mandi, what's up from Indonesia? It will take time. It will not take forever. Remember, the crypto market moves very, very fast. 1 month might seem like forever in crypto, but it's just 1 month. Ethereum and VT all in. Yeah, probably Glacius. But I think Ethereum 2.0, we're still ways away, as from what I've heard. From what I've heard, it's not dropping this year. So I don't know when that might be. Kinsey is hard to say. Wish I knew. Yes, Tyreek, it's something I created and I'm still working on. Still doing trial and error. I'll have more information on it once it's ready, to go public. But it's still not ready. Direct withdrawal to bank, is it okay? It's okay in the US. I don't know what country you're in and what bank you're using. It depends on different variables. I added to Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know who Brian Jung is. It's seeming stable now. I mean, it's jumping up now. It's been bouncing up now. We just gotta wait. We have to wait to see what happens. There's a lot of factors that go into it. But you see here on the 4-hour chart in Bitcoin, we posted a hammer. What's called a hammer pin bar. That's a bullish sign, a signal. That's a bullish candlestick. That means that the market is exhausted in this direction. And the next candle is green. So let's see how that closes. If you go to the daily, you're also seeing the same similar candle here now. We have the same pin bar, the same hammer, hanging man, whatever you want to call it. Same candles there. So that could mean a possible bounce, which is what we're getting right now. But for the future, that could mean possibly it was 30,000 was the bottom. But there's no way to know for sure until until we've already bounced. So currently we're at 40,000. We need to get at least above 42. That'll put us back above that big support. And then for us to continue up, we need to get above 48,000. So we still have a long way to go, guys. But right now, it's looking good for now. We need more information though. Yes, guys, we're 2 likes away from 100 likes. So guys, make sure that if you're in here and you haven't liked the video yet, you smash that like button. I will do it with you because I actually have not liked the video. So let's all do it together right now. We have 145 people watching. Let's go ahead and click on the video. And we're all going to, we already hit the 100 mark. Thank you guys. So we're all going to do it. Everyone else who hasn't liked the video yet, we're going to like it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Nice. You guys are killing it with the likes. We're up over 100. Very, very nice, guys. Also, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, guys. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but it's something. It's honest work. We've been grinding since August now, so almost a year in. We've done a great job, guys. We've done a great job. We're at, let's see how many subscribers we're at. We're at 8,443 subscribers, trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the month. You think we can do it? 10,000? Let me see how many days we got left in a month. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 12 days. Oh, that's tough. We need 1,200 subscribers in 12 days. And I'm averaging around 1,500 a month. So I don't know, unless something goes viral, I don't know if that's possible right now. So maybe next month. Let's aim for next month, right? Guys, you guys killed it. We're at 125 likes. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, hopefully Bitcoin can stay above 40,000 now. I hope that we're getting that V-shaped bounce here. I hope we continue up when we go back above 50K. That's where we got to hit. Solar, I would recommend checking it out, like Google dollar cost average definition, and you'll see what it is. Basically, it means putting in small amounts of money at different entry points, so you could have the best averaged entry possible. Yes, Victor. Yeah, Glacius, for sure. If Bitcoin drops, everything drops. So you know, I'm Phil. There's no way to know, man. I wish I was psychic and I can tell you for sure answer on whether or not it would drop again. But unfortunately, I was not born with such gifts. So I have no idea. Yeah, for sure. You guys are gonna make money in the long run for sure. If you're buying for long term, for sure, you guys are gonna make money in the long run. If you're trying to make short term returns, that's a little trickier. The total market cap now, let's refresh. It looks like the total market cap right now is $1.78 trillion. So it's down 14% in the last 24 hours. That's a big drop in market cap. Like button demolished, said Simply Am. Javier Perez. Yeah, Binance has been having a lot of issues today. Tyreek, you saw that, right? I know I'm not going crazy. Every time we go live, we all as a community, it's not just me guys, we all as a community drive the prices back up. So I think somebody's watching this. What do you guys think? I tried to go, you know what? I tried to go live yesterday. um and last night at like 1 a.m. when this started. So this started yet last night, and I tried to go live probably like 12 a.m., 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And my like 10 minutes in, the prices started going up a little bit, and like 5 minutes into the stream, probably my internet was cut off. Somebody cut off my internet, and I couldn't get back on the stream. I couldn't go live. So what ended up happening? The price crashed. So I tried, guys. I really, really tried, and my internet got cut off. So I'm telling you, somebody is watching us, man. Somebody is watching us. Glacius, man, I appreciate you, man. You dropped a like on 4 different accounts. That's what's up. I appreciate you. Yeah, Michael. Head and shoulders pattern came true. Bonjile, thank you for the like. Jed Beal, thank you for the like. Michael Rain, a lot of things, man. A lot of things compiled. Basically, the perfect storm is what caused today's crash. Yeah, Daryl, I've been trying, man. I've been reaching out to Carl, the Moon. I've spoken to him, but he's living his life. It's hard. Like he replies to me like once a week, maybe. I've spoken to Tone Vase as well, trying to do something with him, but he said when he came back down to South Florida that we'd do something. I spoke to BitBoy. He has something called Around the Block now or something like that. I'm trying to get on one of those. So I'm going to probably annoy him and just message him every single day until he tells me yes. So let's see how that goes. You guys should also annoy him and tell him that they should have me on the show. It's the show Around the Block. Perma, right now, basically what happened is the bear case scenario happened. Remember from the videos on Monday and Friday, those happened. So right now we're just kind of waiting it out, being patient here and see what happens. Salar, thank you so much. I appreciate that so much. Salar says, your live is the most professional I've seen. Only YouTube content maker I have turned on notifications for. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate the kind words. That means a lot. It's YouTube is a hard grind. It is not easy work. Let me tell you. Like usually after these live streams, I'm exhausted and I have to like take a nap or something. Like it's a lot of work. John Barry says, hello, Jay. Since Bitcoin dipped below 3K last year, will Ethereum pump to 64 next year? I know you have diamond hands. I don't know about 64, man. The market cap and circulating supply on Ethereum is way too much. But it will definitely, my target is definitely at least 10K for Ethereum long term by the end of the cycle. I do believe we're still in the bull cycle, guys, for anyone that might be confused. I do not think we're in a bear market. Remember that price is not the only factor when it comes to a market cycle. The other very important factor is time. So time in the cycle is just as important as price, guys. Glatheus says your live streams always makes the market go up. I'm trying, man. I'm trying to do live streams as much as possible. I went from doing no live streams to doing one live stream a week to doing, I did 3 live streams last week. This week so far, this is my second live stream. So I'm working on it. I'm trying to be better every single day, guys. Leo, dollar cost average, my brother. Dollar cost average. Year over year, we're up 10x from low crash levels. Yeah, that's amazing, man. Hopefully we can 10x from 30,000. That would be life-changing for a lot of people. Liked. Thank you so much for the like. Ilya? I can't really, I don't know what your name is or like how to pronounce it. Trevor, my analysis right now. So, I mean, right now, if I go to a single chart so I can really look at Bitcoin here. If you go to the daily chart, first, if you go to the daily chart, you can see that what's beginning to appear here is this is called a hammer. It could be called pin bar. Could be called, I think, hanging man or something. It could have many different names. But if we're able to close this kind of like this, what this would signal is kind of an exhaustion of the direction of the wick, which is to the downside. Then also, if you look at the RSI, we're oversold right now. So that also signals exhaustion to the downside. So this could be the signals that we need in order to go back up. So if you put that together with the current pattern here, which is a falling wedge pattern, then this signifies a possible reversal signal back to the upside. But we have to get above $48,000 and $50,000, I believe, to continue the rally up. So that's currently where we are right now. And if you look at the 4 hour, we have the same thing. We have the hammer pin bar here, oversold and moving up. Christmas is here for sure. No, wait. I can't comment on your request because you spammed it. So I had to time you out and delete everything that you wrote. So if you post it one time, then I'll read it. If you spam it, I will not read it. Is it a good time to convert Ethereum into Bitcoin? I wouldn't say that. I always say keep both in your portfolio. I have both. Yes, Javier, please do so. Victor, I do it for as long as I can, but eventually, I do have to do other things. I can't stream 24 hours a day, unfortunately. I'll have to like put the stream on my phone and just walk around. Like I'll have to get a selfie stick and walk around with my phone as I do everything, on my day. Um, yeah. When does the market close? The crypto market is 24 hours, never closes. Um, the daily candle closes at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, though. Elon's tweet today meant Tesla has diamond hands. So diamond hands means that they're not selling. It means that they have very strong hands to hold very tightly. Perma, thank you so much. Like was smashed. Yes, guys, make sure to smash the like button. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. And hold on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, and turn on that notification bell. Very, very important. Leo, dollar cost average. If you're looking to buy, I wouldn't say you're too late. But dollar cost average because we don't know if we're going to drop or where we're going. You know what I mean? But this could definitely be one of the last opportunities to buy Bitcoin under $40,000. China may be responsible for what's happening right now. Well, as long as they rocket the prices back up to new all-time highs, I'll give them a pass. But if they just did it for nothing, then I won't give them a pass. Death to BTC. I have spoken about Elon's tweet multiple times. I literally just spoke about it again too. VeChain is a cool project. I have some VeChain in my portfolio, long term. Poop coins for life. Well, I mean, you voted twice, so we have 2 votes for that, and they're both your votes. Will Bitcoin dump again? We have no way of knowing for sure. Crypto well, what is it that he does? And it doesn't he just put, when someone moves money around or something, or is that the one that says when people are liquidated? Jed Beal. Yes. Yeah, Matic. That's what I told people. So people were asking me yesterday about Matic, and they wanted to enter Matic, and like I was live streaming yesterday, and they were going crazy about Matic, and I told them, do not buy when it's up so high. You have to wait for the dip, and when it drops down in price, that's the opportunity to buy. So we just spoke about it again a little bit ago. Um, that now is the opportunity to buy Matic. Now that it dropped down, it's only down 11% on the day. Earlier it was down a lot more. Like it's down 16%. So earlier it was down a lot more. So now is the opportunity to buy. You shouldn't buy when prices are at all-time highs. Wait for the dip. The dip eventually comes. That's when you enter. Do I think we'll see a dip when Asia wakes up? Well, Asia just went to sleep. And usually, there's no way to know for sure. We have to see what the rest of the day goes like for us here. And then when they wake up later on in about like 7 hours or so, um, then we will, we'll see. I don't know what you're asking, Demetrius. Best strategy for taking profits is one, take profits right before resistances. Two, take profits in portions. Don't take full profits. You have to take profits as the price goes up, and then once you're like in all-time highs, that's usually when you want to, set a trailing stop loss with your remaining position. So when you drop from all-time highs, because you want to try to ride it up as far as possible, and then when it starts to drop back down, you completely take profits. And then you wait for dips, and that's when you buy back in. King Shine, what's going on, man? Thank you, man. I appreciate the kind words, man. It's been a crazy 24 hours. It's been a crazy video today. Fine, I liked your video. Appreciate your efforts. Thank you. Why you gotta put like a sad face though? You gotta put a happy face. Bitcoin to 70K. I like that. Boosted. Oh, is that the scammer that's on Twitter? Yeah, I don't follow that guy. Matic hit $1, 109. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, Elon only said that because crypto Twitter hates that account and hates that person. So because crypto Twitter was going at Elon, Elon did that just to piss people off. The CIA is responsible. Uh-oh, here we go. I'm not going down that rabbit hole. Yeah, VeChain is cool. I like VeChain. It's up to you if to buy it or not, but M, thank you so much, man. I appreciate the kind words. Looks like a reversal. What? Yes, I like Litecoin. I believe it. What do you believe? Let's go back to the 15-minute chart so we can see the action as it happens. Guys, what should I have for lunch? I'm getting hungry. I haven't ate anything today. I didn't even have breakfast. I had coffee and I got on. Like it's been a stressful morning, so I didn't even have time to eat. That's not real. Okay. I was like, wait, what? Wells bought at 30K. Yeah. You're going for a walk? Take me with you, man. Put me in your pocket and take me with you, Demetrius. Lunch equal diced. PB&J is fast and good. Lettuce wraps for lunch. Yeah, true that, Chris. He's just a troll and he wants to piss people off. Yeah, John, definitely dollar cost average is what I would recommend. You could split it into whatever amount of purchases you want. So you could split it like into $500 entries, $1,000 entries, whatever you prefer. That's up to you. Next target ETC, I have no idea, man. I'm not focused on that right now. Ugh. Right now today we're only looking at Bitcoin, guys, cuz everything else is going to follow Bitcoin. So the next target for Ethereum Classics probably 75 and then 100, what I would imagine, but I haven't looked at the chart. Everything's going to kind of look like what this one looks like today. You really like this sell-off, Matt? Well, hopefully we shook out all the weak hands, and now we can continue this bull run. Yeah, on you. It could go either way. That's what we're saying. That's why we recommend dollar cost averaging if you're buying. If you're putting new money into the market, dollar cost average. Don't do any lump sums or anything like that. Kevin, I wish I knew the answer. John, I have no idea, man, for the best transaction fees. Have you tried Coinbase Pro? I know that they have, I believe, cheaper transaction fees, possibly. But I'm not 100% sure because I don't use Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. On you, nah, I agree that we can still go down. I don't agree that this is the beginning of the bear market. Yeah, definitely red flags for investors like him. People need to stop moving, selling or buying based on his tweets. It's kind of ridiculous. Like the market shouldn't move based on one person, what one person says on Twitter, you know, especially someone who's a troll like him. Yeah, 40K is definitely a big resistance there. Hopefully it's the bottom. We don't know yet though. We still need a bigger move up. I think if we close above 38,000 today though, it's a good sign. Um, and we should continue up if we're able to do that. Michael, it means to have entries at different points. So if you have $1,000, don't put all $1,000 into the market at one time. Enter at different prices, and it could be, you know, one entry an hour, one entry a day, one entry a week, one entry a month. You could do it. You know, it all depends on you. I like that prediction, John. John says, prediction Bitcoin just hit the lows. Today will be used as a reference point, the way that March 12th, 2020 was last year's crash date. Yep, today is May 19th, 2021. Some special glasses. I have some glasses. I have like the blue light filter glasses or whatever, but I just never wear them. but I do have them. They're just full of dust right now because I literally never put them on. They're like something with the light. I don't know. I look like basketball players when they put on the goggles. What was that guy's name? I look like Steve Urkel. I don't know. I look funny when I wear these glasses. Coinbase Pro is good. Yes. Are we on bubble now? What do you mean? Yes, what Matt said. Yeah, Tesla's still holding. You can see here on Elon's tweet, he said they have diamond hands. Guys, do I keep on the glasses or do I lose the glasses? Let me know. These are not seeing eye glasses. These are glasses for something with the blue light from the screen or something. I don't even know. If Moonlight is the only crypto going up today, that means it will be the only crypto going down when everything else is going up. Bear market started in April for Bitcoin. I don't think that's how it works. What do you mean, Chris? As far as market cap, does not have a market cap in comparison? What? Bybit web browser's messing up. Yeah, they're like a little delayed, right? Is that what you're seeing? Like a kind of a delay? I have no idea, John. If that was his plan, he's a genius. Like he started creating FUD back in like a week ago, got the price from 58,000 all the way down to 30,000, and then Tesla bought a bunch more Bitcoin, and then he tweeted out Tesla has diamond hands, and then the price goes up. So I mean, if that's what he's doing, Tesla is making so much money. If that was a plan, if this was all planned ahead, then yeah, Tesla has made insane amounts of money. Imagine next quarter they say that they bought at $30,000. BitBoy showed a story from an insider to punish Elon. I mean, that doesn't punish Elon though. That punishes the market. That punishes us. It doesn't punish Elon. Elon doesn't even really have, I don't think he really has crypto. Tesla has crypto, not Elon. Elon is a billionaire. You think this drop affects him? This doesn't affect him. Horace Grant. That's yeah. That who I look like? Keep the glasses. Everybody says keep the glasses. Blue light is a big damager to your cornea. Like the glasses. Everybody wants me to keep the glasses. It's just so weird for me to wear glasses. Like I'm not used to it. Matic Hat did well today because of the low fees. Yeah, a lot of exchanges were down today. Yeah, man. Bitcoin dominance went under 40 last night, I think, and then today if it's bounced back up. It's not a dump, man. It's just a small little candle. You know, it's not just gonna go up. Oh, is that what it is? So it looks yellowish. Yeah. Yeah, it does look yellowish. That's why it feels weird. I feel like I'm not seeing things in their natural state, you know? So it feels like a little weird. Oh, yeah, you won't see Bitcoin at 3,500 again, man. It does not have a ceiling. That ceiling? What do you mean? So, I mean, Ethereum definitely has a market cap. You know, they have a circulating supply of 115 million. So they have a lot more than Bitcoin. Um, the new update supposed to be that is going to burn coins as there's transactions made in order to keep gas fees cheap. That's what I heard from the new update, the 1559, I think it is, but I'm not 100% sure on it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's Tesla, not Elon. Saran, I mean, it's been more stable now, so we have to see what happens the rest of the day. It's hard to know where the market's going from here. We just gotta wait it out. You know, there's not enough data in the market right now. We gotta chill, wait it out, see what happens, and go from there. Let's see how the day closes today, and then how the next daily candle opens at 8 p.m. Yeah, John, I don't understand either, which is why I don't get into those conspiracy theories. Francesca, it's hard to know for sure right now. We need to just let it play out a bit more to see what happens. 30,000 could be the bottom, and we could bounce back up. But there's no way to know right now at this moment. You gotta let it play out, see what happens, and go from there. Um, there's just a lot of things at play right now. James Worthy also wore goggles and made it popular. Didn't Kareem Abdul-Jabbar wear goggles or something? Someone similar? Was it Hakeem Olajuwon? I don't remember who. I remember like a really tall player wearing goggles, but it might be Grant, Horace Grant. Has it withheld? I think right now they're withholding withdrawals, or they suspended it or something like that for the moment. Probably a lot of people are probably trying to cash out. So contact their support. I'm not 100% sure, as I've never used Binance to withdraw fiat before. Yes, ways of art. Yeah, for sure. You can just put it in USDT. If you're in USDT, you're not affected by market fluctuations. If you're in USD, you are affected by the underlying asset. Really, Justin's son bought 152K. I feel like that's not that much though. Like, didn't he? Wasn't he the one that bought like a NFT for like I don't know how many millions of dollars? He only spent 152,000 on Bitcoin. Didn't he also bid on a lunch with Warren Buffett for I don't know how many millions? Like 152K is not that much. George, I think I bought once when I did a tutorial on Cash App, but I don't use Cash App. Jesus got liquidated last night. Thoughts on XRP? Once they get out of this case with the SEC, it should go to previous all-time highs. Michael, I have no idea, man. I wish I knew. Yes, guys, make sure to smash that like button. We're at 145 likes right now. Let's get that number up to 200. We've also been streaming for 2 hours now. We've been live for 2 hours, guys. But we only have 145 likes. We need 200 likes. Average price was 36,000. Oh, okay, 152 million. Okay, now that sounds a lot better. Okay, John. Now it's news, you know? Like I was like, oh, damn, 152,000. He didn't buy anything. That's like pocket change for him. 152 million? That sounds a lot better. I gotta check that out. Is that on his Twitter? Two tweets in the last hour. So he bought Ethereum. So he bought Bitcoin, 4,145 Bitcoin, which is $152 million at an average price of 36,000. And he bought $135 million worth of Ethereum. Does this guy have like unlimited money? That's insane. That's a lot. Like, is that his personal or is that like through his company? That's crazy. That's a lot of money. Retta, what's up, bro? Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Hugo, I don't invest in Shiba Inu. I don't invest in meme coins, my brother. My brethren. Short term, I use Bybit because I trade with leverage. Long term, I just hold, you know? So I'm not trading anywhere with long term. I have a ledger where I keep my long term stash off. And I have it on various exchanges. I have it spread out. You know, you don't want to keep all your funds in one basket. You want to keep it as spread out as possible. I don't have any opinion on HBAR. I don't own any. I'm not invested in it. So I don't really know. Yeah, Binance is a good exchange to use if you like. Crypto Potato reported. Yeah, I just went straight to the source. I figured if that's being reported, then he tweeted it. That's the only way that they probably be reporting it. So this is his official Twitter. Thoughts on XRP, guys? The same thing. Oh look, Justin's son just tweeted, "I'm not selling." Let's see. Let's refresh. Michael Saylor said, "I'm not selling." Justin's son said, "I'm not selling." Let's also say, "I'm not selling." Yeah, so for XRP, it should double up once it settles on the SEC court case. Alfredo, of course I bought more on the dip, man. I have no idea where. I have no thoughts on where Shiba Inu will go. I do not invest in that coin. I'm not selling. I love how Ethereum is trending spelled incorrectly. Audi R8 price. How to sell my kidney. Dear Diary, I lost everything again. That's pretty funny. Dear Diary, I lost everything again. Diamond hands. They're the XRP SEC. They've been at it right now. I don't know when's their next date for hearing. Oh man, I am getting hungry, guys. Do we have any new people in the channel today? Any new subscribers? Any new possible subscribers who I can convince to subscribe? Usually on these live streams, more than 60% of you guys are not subscribed. So guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. I'm wearing these really cool new glasses for the first time that they're blue light protectors. So give me a sub for wearing these glasses, guys. Because it is news. Francesca, welcome to the family. Thank you so much. Appreciate you being here. Captain Heimer just subscribed. Thank you so much. Welcome to the family. Jason, goodbye from the family. Instantly got the boot. Zero You knew, got lucky this morning, bought at 32K and sold at 40K. Feeling great about it. That's amazing. An amazing entry, man. Congrats on your profits. Shame on you guys who are not subscribed. Yes, shame them. Shame them. You moved all to Tether? It depends. When did you move to Tether? Hopefully it was at the highs, not the lows. Francesca, I recommend dollar cost averaging. Start putting, buy a little bit today, maybe see what happens tomorrow, maybe buy a little bit more tomorrow. That's going to be your best bet. Subscribe. Thank you, Jed. Welcome to the family. Mian Uzman, welcome to the family. No, way. Welcome to the family. Subscribed. Go eat now. Thank you. Welcome to the family. ETH is dropping. Long-term hold suggestions. My main long-term holds are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything else is more lottery tickets, is what I like to call them. But I'm also holding Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, Binance, XRP, Litecoin, Uniswap. I have Neo. Basically covers the majority of the coins I have. Just subscribe. Can I get a shout out to Caleb from North Star? You just got it, buddy. Just got it, Caleb from North Star. Thank you for subscribing, man. Welcome to the family. Chris, no, there's not really too much on it yet. So I don't know when the upgrades might happen, but they didn't say in June specifically. They said, between June and August or something like that. Like sometime in the summer. I wouldn't short it. I have no idea. I turned the bot off last night. It was not doing good. The positions were getting out of hand. I had to turn it off. Well, the 2.0 upgrade is not this year, from what I've heard. But there's the 1559 upgrade is supposed to be this year. But it's still not for sure yet. Guys, we're at 170 likes, guys. If you have not liked the video, make sure to smash that like. Mickey, what's up, Mickey? Yes, a lot of us, 139 of us are here. What's going on? Damn, we just got 30 more likes. I mean, 30 more subscribers in the last hour. Thank you guys so much. We're at 8771, guys. So we're almost at that 9,000, at the 8,900 mark. Let's keep it going, y'all. Killing it. Yeah, the issue is that the price dropped, so the bot started to buy, but then the price dropped more, and then it dropped more, and then it dropped more. The positions were getting out of hand. They were getting too big, and they were in red. So I just cut the losses. I cut my losses when we broke under 42, under 40, and yeah, I turned them back on once we started bouncing. So they're doing okay now, but if I see another dramatic drop again, I'm gonna have to turn it off again. So I gotta figure out how I'll be able to do that. um, if I have a bunch of people using the bot. Elaine, it was like we spoke about on Friday's video and on Monday's video, we had a head and shoulders pattern on the charts that ended up playing out. You guys can see here that the price target for the head and shoulders playing out was 30,000, and that's basically exactly where we went just under 30,000. So now we're just kind of waiting. Right now we are getting a possible pin bar or hammer on the daily, depending where we finish, where we close off today. We are also exhausted on the RSI. We're oversold. So we can potentially, and we still have this falling wedge pattern here. So we can potentially, these could be all reversal signals. However, we don't know if that's the reversal is going to be now, or it's going to be today or tomorrow, or whatever the case is. So we just gotta wait it out, see what more develops here. There's no way to call it the bottom yet, Mickey, that's really up to you, man. That's personal preference. I do Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to do that, or if you want to do altcoins, or if you don't want to invest at all, that's up to you, man. Just make sure that it's money you're willing to lose always in any other investment. Wesley, if eventually it'll be back to 4K, man. Yeah, if we're still in the bull market, the morning, this 30K should be the bottom. Definitely scary stuff, Jay. Mickey, there's no way to know. I would recommend dollar cost averaging, but it's up to you. This is not financial advice. I short the market in bear markets. Once there's new trades to be made, yeah. Sitting in sunny Spain with a cool beer watching this. Amazing, man. I need a beer right now. I could definitely use a beer today. Yeah, 38K is definitely a very important number. You saw that when we broke 38K this morning. That's when the price really dropped. Chris, you'd be a very rich man right now if you did that. Oh man. Alrighty guys. I think I'm gonna call it for now. I'm gonna grab some lunch. Um I might hop back on later on. Let's see, depending on what the market does. We're gonna continue to watch here. Once again, we've moved the market up when we went live. We're around 36,000 when we started live streaming 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours ago, and we're at 38. We went as high as 40. So it remains true that every time we go live, we pump up the price. So let's continue it going forward. If I see another dip in the market, I'll try to hop back on. I do have a very busy day today, but I'll try to see if I have any time, maybe later on at night or after I eat lunch in the next hour or so. So thank you guys so much, man. You guys have been amazing. I hope I was able to calm some people down. I know a lot of people have been freaking out and afraid and scared. I showed this earlier for anyone that didn't see it. I want to cover it one more time. I think it's very important. Um, Always remember, guys, that it is only money. You know, a lot of people have had close friends that have decided to take their life because of a loss in a trade or any type of investment, because they felt like it was the end and there was no way to get back up. But please, guys, don't do anything stupid. You can and you will bounce back. Even though it might be a difficult road, you can get through it, guys. You can build yourself back up. You can bounce back. I've done it before. It's happened to me. I've taken really big losses before and was able to bounce back from it. So even though we're down today, guys, you know, I'm here for you guys. If you need any support, you can reach out. Feel free to reach out to me, guys, and I'm more than happy to talk to you guys and give you you know, some insight on my experience and what I went through and how I dealt with it and got through it. So don't feel like you guys are alone. You're not. I'm always here to help you guys out. So just let me know if you guys need anything. Sincerely, like I really don't want to see anyone do anything stupid because of a loss. We all go through the losses, guys. So it's not the end of the world. You can bounce back from it. I just want to make sure that it is known. You know, I joke around and stuff like that a lot on the channel and stuff, but at the end of the day, we're all humans. We're all community. We all have our own battles that we're going through every single day. If I can help by supporting you and listening to you guys, then I'm more than happy to do so. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much, man. I'll try to get back on later on. I can't say whether or not I'll do it for sure, but let's see what we get. We got to see what the rest of the day looks like. Let's see where we close. Always pay attention to the close of the daily candle and the open of the new daily candle. There's usually a lot of volume there. So that's what I will be watching for the rest of the day, seeing if we end up closing on a pin bar here or not, and see if we close above 38K. I think if we close above 38K and we have some sort of pin bar, plus this oversold here and this falling wedge pattern, it could very well point to a possible reversal if we can get a bounce up, and meaning that this would be the bottom. So hopefully the bottom is in and we could all make some money from here on out. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, guys. 60% of you guys are not subscribed that watch the channel, the live stream. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to smash the like button. I will smash it with you guys again right now. Let's all smash the like button one last time. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, smash. Can we get it to 200? Can we get it to 200? Let me try to move it up. Sometimes when I go like this and I try to move it up, it goes up. And for this one, if I try to move it down, sometimes it'll go down. Nah, just kidding. This one, people get upset for no reason. I don't know why. People just get upset and they dislike it. They're like so upset at life. I'm like, I'm here just to try to help you, man. I don't know why you would dislike a video. Like, even if I didn't like a video, I don't think I've ever disliked a video, even if I didn't like it. So that's weird to go out of your way to dislike a video. I think that's odd. And I think it tells you a lot about a person, where they are in their life as a whole. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much, man. Thank you guys. We almost hit 200. It almost worked. You saw that. 186, 14 away. But thank you again, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I will see you on the next one. I don't know if I'm doing a video or live stream tomorrow. We'll figure it out. See you guys. Peace and love.